This is the box latch. It's designed to slip right between the flaps of a box to temporarily close it without the need for tape. It can be slid in or pushed on. When it's pushed on, it's this easy to open and close the box without the need for tape. This is our medium-sized box latch. This is our large. Our medium works on single wall boxes like this. Our large works on single, double, and triple wall boxes. As you can see, we've also added a couple holes in the large box latch. That's so it can be hung right on a peg, or add an anchor that I'll demonstrate right now. And the anchor is attached, goes right through the wall of the box, stays attached to the box. Can be used as a single anchor, or it can be used in a situation like this box where it has two anchors on the bottom, one anchor on the top, and the box will be reused several times. In the process, it'll be flattened and then rebuilt the shape of the box and flattened again and again for multiple uses.